Deborah, there's Faith, and my sister Ab's there. Yes. And today is a new day.
New day, and it's going to be a new year in the night.
Yeah.
So now we're going to talk about that.
Yeah, and we're going to share to our friends this video.
Okay.
But
Okay, and about the new year is going tonight. We are going to talk about the fireworks. Okay, what do you think about the fireworks?
it's amazing.
It's amazing. If the firework in the skies looks like what? Like the color is bright and
There's two colors, orange and green.
orange and green. I don't think so. Maybe there's so many colors like yellow and red, and it is bright. And do you know if every people in the world they are going to burn the fireworks and
Bye!
and the sky is going to become
Dark.
because there's too much smoke in the sky.
Wow.
And I think it is not good for us for healthy because it's going to make us like cough, sick. But yeah, that's all because in 1 year, one time, the people they burn the fireworks. And what about you? Do you think tonight you're going to fire you're going to burn the fireworks?
Yes.
Yes.
But my mom is gonna buy you my hair, guys.
Your mom is gonna buy the fireworks for both the three of you. You, Faith, and Brigitta.
But my mom is gonna buy this.
Oh yeah, it's like trumpet.
Trumpet.
The trumpet, and then you're going to blow it, and like, and then everyone will say, Happy New Year 2019. So now you would like to say Happy New Year 2019 to all the friends. And we hope in the new year
You love it.
we are going to do something much better than before. Okay, bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe,
Like and
comment.